Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Reels not working on Instagram on PC. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll just be showing this as a backdrop for this video. This is just my feed and I'll be showing you this simply, as I've mentioned, as a backdrop because I can't really log in to Instagram at the moment, or I'm having trouble opening up Instagram on my PC, so you're gonna have to forgive me for that. But yeah, pretty much the fixes that I can recommend you are basically the standards for troubleshooting any problems you might have on your PC. Firstly, of course, make sure that your network is good enough, that the quality isn't subpar from your internet package. You can troubleshoot on the PC. You have troubleshooting on Windows if you're using Windows, and you can also use speed tests, which are freely available online, to see if everything is good. You can try moving around your connection, try resetting your router, everything that you can try to troubleshoot it at home. If that doesn't work, get into contact with your ISP, since that might be the cause of your problem. If there's a problem with the ISP, they'll fix it in due time. However, you will need to wait for that. Other than that, what you can do is you can try and clear the cache of your browser which you're using to log into Instagram too, because sometimes corrupted files do enter into the cache or are created within the cache, and that tends to mess some things up. And other than that, simply put, your browser might not support Instagram. Not sure which browsers support and which don't. I'm pretty sure most do, simply because mostly Instagram is an online page, a website which should be able to be loaded on all browsers. However, some browsers might be having trouble with them, especially if they're, I don't know, less popular Chromium-based browsers or something like that. If they don't have official support, then you might be experiencing trouble due to that. But other than that, that's pretty much the main pointers that I can give you guys, and I really can't vouch for anything else. Instagram on the app is much easier to fix if there are any local corruptions than on the web, since it mostly depends on your web browser and not on your Instagram website, which you have open. Another thing that I failed to mention, which might be able to help you fix this, if you're having any if you have any add-ons or plugins or extensions on your browser, disabling them might help with getting Instagram Reels to work. However, that is not confirmed, and it's just guesswork at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.